Auntie, I'll take this glass. Shri, your medicines. Has the pain gone?
Yes, I'm feeling better now. Why are you asking me so many times? If anybody hears you, they'll pull your leg.
I don't care if they do. Here.
Mithai.
Yes?
I'm feeling dizzy.
What happened?
I can't stay calm after seeing their romance. Amresh.
Yes?
Amresh, what's wrong with our family? I mean, the husbands are taking such good care of their wives. I can't believe it. Sulata, what are you doing? Leave everything and serve the food later. Tell Amresh to learn something from Ratul. And why just a son-in-law? The sons of a family are no less. You should have seen how he was applying the medicine to his wife's hand. My.
Ah, Oppa, you always make fun of everything.
Yes, right, Appa. You said it in such a manner that Shri and Ratul got embarrassed.
Did they?
She's just like her father. She also embarrasses everybody. Rajiv, Ratul, come and have the food, otherwise it will get cold. Come.
You know, I'm noticing something today. Rajiv hasn't spoken a word today. This is something rare. Is everything all right?
Dad, actually, Aunt started pulling everybody's leg before Brother Raju could do it. That's why he's quiet.
That's right. Ratul, bring Sri carefully. Because some wounds can be very painful. Nanda, go serve everybody dinner.
Shall I take your dinner to your room? You'll be comfortable over there.
What is this? Shri, what happened? Why do you have a bandage on your feet?
Samresh, Shri was involved in a minor accident, so Oppa has brought them here and she will stay here for a few days.
Accident? What do you mean? Nobody informed me. Shri, I'm sure you were crossing the road without looking. You never listen to anyone. Did you consult a doctor? What did the doctor say? I hope you...
Dad, it's nothing serious. Ratul took me to a doctor.
Uncle, she has hurt her ligament. The doctor has advised her to rest. Actually, your daughter doesn't listen to anyone, so she will rest. I have doubts.
Why are you saying all this?
Why? Did I say anything wrong? Nanda, did I say anything wrong? What was the need for her to go alone to look for a book? Uncle will think I don't take care of her daughter anymore.
Hey, no. That's not what I think, son.
You shouldn't, Samresh. The way Ratul is taking care of Shri, I think we should ask everybody to learn from him. And Ratul, Shri was there to help you. It's normal for a wife to help her husband.
Samresh, Shri has hurt her leg. But don't you worry, she'll be fine in a couple of days. Oh yes, today Appa has made rice for everyone. It smells great. Don't delay anymore. Come quickly. All of you
come.
Come, Samresh.
Come, all of you come.
Tufan Mail was absolutely right. Ratul and Shri look happy together. Then why are they behaving weirdly?
Has everybody come? Where is Dad?
Your dad is in his room. He's doing a lot of calculations. Actually, he has received a lot of orders from Sid's office. Mithai, tell him.
Uncle, I'm not in favor of accepting this order. It will be foolish to compete with Agrawals in this matter.
Order? What order?
Samaresh, a big party is being organized by Siddharth's office. We've got an order.
Uncle, Siddharth may get the award for the best employee. His laptop stopped working, and it was Mithai who got it repaired and helped him bag the deal.
I get it. So today's feast is in honor of this.
Yes, right.
Hmm. By the way, PCG hosts grand parties. We've got the order of the desert section.
We haven't got it yet. We will have to take the sample in a couple of days.
Uncle, the dessert won't be tasted by the executives of the Kolkata branch. Representatives from Mumbai and Bangalore will come. I mean, all I want to say is your approach should be professional. Don't plate a few monoharas and expect appreciation because that won't work, okay?
Exactly. This is what I wanted to say. Mithai accepted a challenge without knowing anything. It's not possible to do this kind of catering in our shop.
Shom, it is an important and prestigious order. It's an opportunity to beat the Agrawals. And you just want to miss it. Amu, what do you think about it?
Uncle, I will prepare a new sweet dish by tomorrow at any cost. Something that can be served at such places. I'll serve the family members first. If everyone likes it, we'll think about the order. Let me try it first.
Yes, there. That's the spirit. Dad is of the same opinion. Mithai, do whatever you can, okay? Use all your brains in this. Now, this is your responsibility. You know what I suggest you? You pray to Lord sincerely. Only then, you get me? Lord will help you.
Hail the Lord!
Hey, Lord!
Mithai, why did you turn the AC off? Mithai! The door. Why did you leave the door open? Mithai? What nonsense is this, Mithai? Mithai! Why are you on your knees?
Oof! What is it? What is nonsensical about it? I can't find my bag. Won't I change my sari before before going to bed?
Your bag was lying in front of the sofa as if it were a railway station. I can't tolerate all this. I've taken everything out and kept them.
What? You have taken everything out? What will I wear now? This is equally nonsensical.
Look at this. Happy?
Grandfather's grandson has kept my sari so beautifully.
This is how you should keep your clothes. But you can never do it. I don't understand. Why do you keep everything like this? It makes me feel uneasy, you know?
It makes me feel uneasy. Huh.
Give me the AC remote, it's hot.
What? I don't have it.
You were the one walking around the room.
Yes.
The remote was kept on the bed. Where is it?
Yes. I was looking for my bag.
So, are you trying to say that I misplaced the remote of the AC? You dropped it somewhere. Look for it. Go.
Hey, look. I won't tolerate this accusation. I was looking for my bag. Listen. I came here, then here, and then here. Here. And here also.
Mithai!
Where else
Mithai!
did I go?
What are you doing?
What?
Look what you have done. Just see.
I want to set everything right, but I always end up ruining everything.
Mithai, just get up. Get up. Mithai, you go and change your sari. I'll look for the remote. Mithai. Go. What has she done to the room? I'd arranged everything, but she scattered everything. If I say anything to her, she gets upset. I can't tolerate all this. Here's the remote. Say that I dropped it.
No. I dropped it. Sorry.
Sorry. I got a headache again. I just can't tolerate all this. I took on a project. How will I work on it if I keep running around in the room like this?
I apologize to you. Should I give you a head massage?
Not at all. Don't even bring that oil. That sticky oil. Listen, Mithai, you better not play any pranks on me. Enough of your pranks.
I told you I would not play any pranks. You want me to give you a massage? Don't you? Tell me the truth.
Well, I didn't say anything, Mithai. But you might feel bad if I turn you down, so you can do whatever you want to. I'll tolerate everything in this 1 month. By the way, to save Shri and Ratul's marriage, I have a nice plan. I am thinking of taking Rudy's help. I mean, if Neepa tells Ratul that she likes Rudy, then that'll be really great.
What? No. Why trouble him by involving him in all this?
Hold on. Why did you react this way after hearing Rudy's name?
Tell me, what will he think? There is no need to involve him in all this.
So if I involve him in this, why do you have an objection? Oh, I get it. That's because Grandpa had fixed your wedding with Rudy. Although he had done this to test me, he wanted to know how I would react. Anyway, okay, Mithai, tell me very honestly. I mean, do you really like Rudy? I mean, the way you reacted,
Siddharth, what made you think so all of a sudden?
no, just asking. I mean, you believe in love, so there is nothing wrong.
Siddharth, forget about me. I believe in marriage too. Let it be. I look upon Rudra as my brother. If I had a brother, he would have been like Rudra only. And let me tell you that I believe in love. That's why I don't fall in love just like that.
What did I say that she started crying? I don't understand them. I mean, their emotions and sentiments. I just don't get all of this. Anyway, I think I have to talk to Rudy once tomorrow. I have to talk to him once.
Grandmother, you are here at this hour. What's the matter?
Mithai, what I'm saying is that we have got an order from Siddharth's company. You have to surprise everyone. Make such a sweet that isn't found easily. I've been just thinking, what should be made?
Listen, how about the Indian sweet?
That one?
Yes.
That one you get everywhere nowadays. We have to make something very different, which is very rare to find.
That is uncommon. Something that is rarely found. Chitoi pithe, grandmother. Yes, chitoi pithe. Crushed coconut, payesh, jaggery. I have to make it with all this. Yes, it isn't found easily.
Yes, you are right. That is actually a rare dish. Soak rice in water today, okay?
Yes, don't worry, grandmother. Go to sleep. I'll soak rice now and I'll prepare pitas tomorrow morning. Then I'll serve them to everyone. I'll give Mr. Bittergourd also hot Indian sweet. Grandmother, don't you worry, grandmother. I won't let you and grandfather down.
I know, Mithai. You will never let us down. Don't stay up for long. Wake up early and do the preparation. I'm going to sleep.
Yes.